Okay, and now I want you to describe about your most impressive holiday.
Okay, I want to tell you about my unforgettable holiday. Last week, last holiday, I went to Kintamani with my friend. We woke up very early in the morning because we wanted to see the sunrise. Our first destination was Akasa Cove. The cove was beautiful. It had a clear view of Mount Batur. And then that morning, the weather is perfect. The sky was clear, so the sunrise looked amazing. At Akasa, I ordered kintamani coffee and tiramisu croissant. And then the coffee was strong and fresh, and then the croissant was sweet and soft. I really enjoyed my breakfast there while watching the sunrise with my friends. After we finished at the cafe, we went to the lake. At lake, I tried fishing. It was very fun, even though I didn't catch many fish. And then the air was cool and the scenery was very beautiful, so I felt relaxed. And then after fishing, we went to we rented scooters and explored the area. Riding scooters in Kintamani was very exciting. I saw mountains, trees, and local houses along the route. And then it was simple, but I it gave me a happy feeling.
Okay.
This holiday was unforgettable for me because I did many activities in one day. I enjoyed the sunrise, I ate delicious food, I went fishing, and I rode a scooter. Okay, I think that's all I can tell you about my holiday. Thank you for asking me, Mister.
All right. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, it seems to be a very impressive holiday. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.